This is a 2008 Lexus GS 350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Features include direct injection, aluminum wheels, run-flat tires, an MP3 CD changer, interior wood trim accents, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.